Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you a highly affordable, must-have electronic measurement device for people that buy and sell used cars, or for those of you thinking about purchasing a used vehicle. When shopping around, not only should vehicle mileage, engine and transmission condition be of concern, but also the condition of the body. If you're looking to buy a 3 to 5 year old vehicle that has warranty remaining, then you don't want a vehicle that had body work done unless you're practically stealing the car. You want factory paint. At times, it can be extremely difficult to tell if bodywork was done on a vehicle. If the shop was good, then you won't see any sign of overspray, you wouldn't notice any mismatch of color, or orange peel. Using the vehicle's VIN number to obtain reports doesn't always show if a car has been involved in an accident. Many times people involved in minor accidents will offer to pay for the damage out of their own pocket in order to keep the insurance company from finding out and seeing their premiums rise. If you buy a car with warranty remaining and you don't know if the front right quarter panel was replaced and painted to match, and later on you had a problem with the front right suspension, the dealer could say, "We noticed that the front right quarter panel was replaced on this vehicle, and as a result we cannot warranty anything to do with the front right wheel." Then you'll be out of luck and have to pay out of your pocket for something that should have been covered. In order to prevent something like that from happening, you can use an electronic paint thickness gauge like you see right here. I know for a fact that this one works extremely well because I tested it on my own vehicle, which has paint work done on 2 panels. Okay, let me show you how easy this is to use. Ideally, the paint surface should be clean before testing and the tester calibrated as shown at the end of this video. This tester works on painted steel and aluminum panels. You're going to take 3 or 4 measurements on each panel to get an average reading, along with the hood, roof, and trunk. Keep in mind, a car's factory paint thickness can vary a little from panel to panel, and the tester, although it's accurate, it isn't perfect, but it is more than sufficient to let you know if the vehicle has been painted. Alright, to demonstrate, I'm going to take 3 readings on this door. Let me do that first. And you can see each reading. And then I'm going to take the average of those 3 and I'm going to compare that to the other door. And as you can see, the numbers on this door are coming in higher than the other door. So I'm going to know that this door with the higher number was repainted. It does work extremely well, and you will definitely find out if a vehicle's been painted. Also included with this meter for calibration purposes, you get an aluminum plate, a steel plate, and different thickness pieces of plastic. Calibration is very simple. You're going to take both plates, then you're going to choose a piece of plastic to lay on top. I'm going to be using the 100 micrometer, the second one up. You want to use the one that's closest to the thickness of the coating that you're going to be testing. So the 100 or the 250 would be ideal for analyzing the paint thickness on your vehicle. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is power up the meter. Alright, place it on top of the plastic. Take a few different readings. Once you do that, then you want to set it to 100. So what you do is you push this calibrate button, and then you have the up and down arrows. Now keep in mind, this doesn't have to be super accurate in order to find out if your vehicle's been painted. This is a lower cost unit, but it does get the job done. Now you can hit save, and you try it again. 99.8, 99.8, 100. So that's set. So now you're good to go. And you can see right over here, it says NF, that means non-ferrous. So let's take a look at the iron now. Turn on the meter. Let it warm up. And now you're going to put that right down. And this one is pretty accurate where it is. That's good enough, so I don't have to play with it. But over here, you can see it says FE, indicating the surface that we're testing is steel. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to rate thumbs up, share, and check out my extensive video playlist for many other videos of interest to you. Thank you very much for watching.